Morning, dear children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Blessings of grace and peace be with you today and every day. With this beautiful quotation, we'll start our lesson today. So, we are studying about table and its attributes. Many attributes of table already we have learned, like border color, height, width, align, etc. So, two more attributes are left. One is your frame, another one is your rules. Frame attribute is used to display outside borders, while the rules attribute is used to display inside border of the table. So, frame attribute will study. Next class we will read about rules attribute. Frame attribute. Actually, frame attribute is used along with your border attribute. This attribute allows you to state which portion of the border will display. So these are the values which can be used along with your frame attribute. Just like if you will write above, it displays top edge only, below displays bottom edge only, edge sides means horizontal sides, so it will display your top side and bottom side of the table. LHS means displays left edge only, RHS right edge only, void displays no border, V sides displays the left and right edges. Here V means vertical sides. So left and right sides it will display. Border displays all four sides like default. Box displays all four sides like your border. So these all attributes we will test today and see how it is working. Okay. So if you will use above attribute, you will find the table is looking like this. Means table will be there, but only the top border will be there, other sides the border will be absent. And if you will use this below value with the frame attribute, you will find only the bottom border is there and other side the borders are absent. These borders are your cell borders. This is not your table border. So table border is present only at the bottom side of the table when you will use the below value. So now let's go to our notepad and we'll see how it is working. All the attributes of the frame, all the values of the frame attributes will test one by one. Okay. So this is a notepad. Already that structure I have written. So let us simple table will make and then we'll use our frame attributes. So for that just we'll create two rows and then I will show you how it is working. Okay, so just I am creating two rows. Let us see the table. All of you know how to make the table. We have already made many tables. So copy and paste it so that it will be faster a little bit. Okay. So whenever you are making HTML document, make it complete by closing all the tags. By closing all the tags. If it will not close, then it will not be a complete HTML document. It may work in your browser. Okay. So now it is a complete HTML document and let us save it and then see the output. Okay. So obviously this is a simple table, no frame attribute is used now. So now let us go and use our frame attribute. Okay. So here you write here frame is equal to, first we will start with above. You can put these values in double quote also. Now you see, this is only the top border is present, other side the table borders are absent. So if you write frame is equal to above, it will display only the top border of the table. Similarly, let us go and write here below. What below will do? below means it will show you only the bottom border. See, only the bottom border is present, other sides it is absent. Similarly, we will write here now LHS. LHS left hand side border. Okay, LHS stands for left hand side border. So now see, only left side border is present and other three sides it is absent. So next go and test RHS. So similarly RHS your right hand side border. So only right hand side border will display, other borders will be absent. See, only right hand side the table border is there and other four sides the table border is absent. And now you go and test edge sides. Edge sides means horizontal sides. Horizontal sides means only top and bottom it will show and that left and right will be absent. You see, top border is present, bottom border is present, but the border is absent at the left side and at the right side. Similarly, now you go and test V sides. V sides means vertical sides. So only left and right side border will be present, other two sides the border will be absent. Now you see, left side border is present, right side border is present, it is absent in top side and bottom side. Similarly, another one is there known as your void. Void means no border will be there. Void means no border will be there. So now see, there is no border or no table border is there. This is your cell border, so don't confuse. Okay, so no border is there. If you will use void attribute with the along with the table, along with the border attribute. Okay, so now we'll test box. If you will write here frame is equal to box. Box is similar like border. All the four borders will be used. All the four borders it will display. So see how now see all the four borders are there. So you can ask if frame and border, frame is equal to box and border showing the same thing, why you will use frame is equal to box? Option is there, it is up to you. You will use or you may not use it. Okay. So all the attributes of the frame attribute we have, all the values of the frame attribute we have discussed. One is your LHS left hand side, RHS right hand side. Above means only it will show you the top border. Bottom means below means it will show you only the bottom border. And if it is edge sides, it will show only the horizontal borders, that means your top and bottom. If it is V sides, vertical borders, vertical sides means your left and right side will be present, top and bottom border will be absent. And if you write frame is equal to void, no border will it will display. And if you write frame is equal to box, as usual, is like the border attribute, it will show you all the four borders. So hope all of you understand this frame attribute. Next class we will go for the rules attribute. I don't want to teach you more in one class because I want whatever I taught you, you go through it, try to understand, and if you have a laptop or computer at your home, you please try it, children, and these videos are for you. And if you will not practice, you may feel difficulty during the exam time. And we don't know when the school will reopen, and we may be able to revise all the lessons or not. So you please go through it. And okay, other important main subjects are there, you are giving time, but you can arrange, means say spend 10 minutes or 15 minutes for this subject, no problem. So whenever I am sending 2 days only, I am sending, other days you read over your main subjects, and those 2 days, these 2 days only you give half an hour to practice this HTML codes. It will be better for you. Okay, thank you all. And before winding up, I will tell you, you all are bored because you all are thinking ma'am is always giving a HTML codings and then telling to practice and then give me the assignments, write the assignments, send to me. So today I thought I should give something else to you. So along with this video, I will send you some interesting facts which you should know about computer only. So that link you will find in the description box of your YouTube, and if you will click there, you will find some interesting facts, and I hope you all will enjoy that. Okay, thank you all. then next class we'll read about rules attribute. Okay. Have a good day.